Take a deep breath. You are here, and that's enough. Let each word you hear be a gentle reminder you are healing. Give yourself the time it takes to heal fully. Let's begin. I allow my body to begin repair. Each breath brings calm to my core. I give my body room to renew. My healing journey unfolds in quiet rhythm. I honor what my body feels. My frame grows lighter with care. I welcome gentle change within. I am patient with every part of me. My energy returns with each new day. I let go of what I cannot hold. I feel warmth move through my limbs. My breath carries calm to every area. I trust my inner rhythm. I invite calm to dwell in me. My body holds power to renew. I allow light to fill the hurt. I give my body time and care. I am whole even in this moment. My limbs grow lighter with each hour. I welcome the quiet work of repair. I feel grounded in this moment. I let the pain drift bit by bit. I greet each dawn with hope. I breathe into the ache and bring calm. Each cell holds memory and power to heal. I walk forward, even if gently. Healing finds me here and now. Hold these healing, calm thoughts with you. Return to them when your body needs extra care. I'm sending you warm, healing hugs. Until next time, thanks for being here.